Overall it was a pleasant trip, I must admit it. Hassle-free, it's all about at your fingertip through Klook. Everything went smoothly as instructed. Lots of designer shops at La Vallee Village, and across the designer shops there's a mall with lots of eateries too. Great shopping and also delicious food, highly recommended, thanks Klook. Not a huge outlet but most brands available. There's another huge mall next to it for food and more shopping. Brands like Uniqlo, Saban, Adidas, H&M, Zara etc. Great selection of food too. I dine at Hokkaido and it's super yummy. Comfortable coach. However, we had followed the meetup destination written on the voucher, but in fact it has changed to another meetup point. Would appreciate that the meetup point to be communicated in advance to avoid delays and hassles in locating the bus. We were running around to find the location as we were late. Glad that they have waited a little and spotted us, otherwise we will definitely miss the ride. A lot of shops, namely Lacoste, CK, CL, YSL, Polo Ralph Lauren, Clarins etc. with sufficient stocks. Enough time for you to shop around if you are looking for something to buy. Highly recommended. It's very convenient. If you take the subway by yourself, you still need to go through a shopping mall. After taking the subway last time, I decided to take the subway this time instead. If the goal is very clear, half a day is enough. If you want to slowly go from house to house and queue up to enter the store, one day will be more sufficient. The trains are very punctual. You must be on time. I chose a half-day tour, but it is enough time for a solo trip. In addition to the outlet, you can also go to the mall next to it. The entire shopping village is actually not big, but there are almost all the brands you want to buy. It is really worth a serious visit. There is also a local shopping mall next to it, where you can go to eat or browse local brands, which is also very good. The bus will be on the same bus as the Disney bus. It will go to Disney first and then to the outlet, but it is very close, only 5 minutes apart. Taking a tour bus to carry luggage is much more comfortable than taking a train. Go to the meeting point and get on the bus. It won't take long. It will drive to Disneyland and then to the mall. Taking the bus is very comfortable. On the way back, everyone was tired and resting. You can visit almost the entire park in a half-day tour. The pick-up and drop-off points are clearly marked. The only inconvenience is that there are fewer food options. The bus ride was good. Weather was raining off and on whole day. The check-in process for the bus could have been done in a more orderly fashion. People were pushing to get onto the bus on the return ride. The price is cheaper a lot if compare with the retail shop in Malaysia. We bought LV, Gucci, Prada and Blueberry. Tax refund counter is fast. Highly recommended. 'Twas a pleasant trip. Just type Paris City Vision on Google Maps to make your way there. Also make sure you submit your Klook voucher to check in and exchange the voucher for their ticket. It always pays to arrive at meeting point early. Basically, this means that the English-speaking tour leader will help you, take you there and then tell you how to walk and get around, and then where to enter. That's it, no more. I think the arrival time should be adjusted, as we all arrived around 9:35 a.m. while the outlet would be opened only at 10 a.m., thus we had to wait outside without having anything to do. Indeed, understood. It is also good to have some buffer time, but then it might be one thing to consider in the future. Highly recommended. Big clean buses. Well organized and on time. Will purchase again next travel. Thank you so much Klook. Purchased the tickets at the very last minute, i.e. at 9:30 p.m. for the 9 a.m. trip on the next day. Very convenient option of getting to the La Vallee village instead of taking the railway, which had many stops along the way.